Well, we broke a pulley on the vacuum cleaner, so to fix it, we're gonna 3D print one and replace it. We drew this up in FreeCAD and just pull it right off the machine. The hole just a little bit too small so that we could drill it out to the right size. Alright, so now that it's back on there, let's put this thing back together and see if it runs. And we're going to put the new belt on the new pulley. Alright, so now that I'm spinning it, I can see that the pulley belt is walking over and the pulley needs to get slid that way further on the motor axle. So to get this thing on further, since now at this point I'll be hitting the motor shaft, I found this ring that I can tap instead. Alright, everything appears to be aligned, so we'll put the bottom back on and try this thing out. Yep, everything works. This vacuum cleaner is ready to use.